here so you can make a delicious cold coffee, and this is literally perfect for summer, winter, any type of month. It's literally perfect for. I'm using these cute little cups. If you don't know what they say, this one says, "Dad, I love you more than my smartphone," and "Dad, someone who will always say yes when Mom says no." Yeah, these two glasses was what I'm going to be pouring my cold coffee in. One for my sister, which is a smartphone one, and one for me, which is the one that says, "Someone who will say yes when my mom says no," which is literally so true. Okay, so now we're gonna make what I like to call the base, which is really easy to make. So you're gonna take a small coffee cup, and I'm gonna place it right here. Even though you guys can't see it, you're gonna place a coffee cup on any kind of table, and you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of any type of like instant coffee. And you're gonna go ahead and add that in to the coffee mug. So pour it in. And then close up the coffee. Yeah. And obviously for cold coffee, you're gonna need coffee, so yeah, that's not an optional thing. You have to add the coffee. Next is our sugar. I have this big giant sugar thingy, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. So just scoop up 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. All right, now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another coffee mug, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot water in the coffee mug and microwave it in, and yeah. So I'm gonna take this, another new one with nothing in it, and I'm gonna pour in 1 tablespoon of normal water, room temperature water, and then another tablespoon of room temperature water. Now I'm going ahead and I'm gonna microwave this. Oh, and that's for a minute. I'm gonna microwave this for a minute. And if you're like, oh, that's still not hot enough, just make it as hot as you need, but for 1 minute, that's perfect for how much my microwave needs to be microwaved. How my cup needs to be microwaved in the water. So yeah, because different microwaves have like different levels of how much hot it is, so we might have to put it in for more time or for less time. Okay, so I've warmed up 2 tablespoons of the water, and now we're gonna add it in to the coffee and the sugar mixture. And it's gonna slowly dissolve, and I'm gonna take my teaspoon and I'm just gonna mix it up until there's no more clumps left. It literally smells like Starbucks in here. Okay, so once you've mixed up your like coffee solution with the sugar, the instant coffee, and the hot water, you're going to take out your spoon or your teaspoon, whatever you mix it with. I'm gonna add this in the sink, and then you're gonna let your coffee mixture to set. Okay, now that I'm leaving that to set, I'm gonna take my blender. And the main thing is you want to leave the coffee mixture to set, because that's like the main reason that all places who sell cold coffee, that's one of their main secrets. To let the coffee mixture kind of thing dry or set. Now I'm gonna shake up milk, and I'm gonna add in 1 cup of milk. Okay. And then another of the half of the cup. Okay, and then we add that in. Now I'm going to close up the milk and add in the next ingredient. So the next ingredient is milk powder. This is actually to make the delicious creamy taste appear in the cold coffee, because you want your cold coffee to be more creamy, then add in milk powder. So I'm adding in a tablespoon of milk powder into my cold coffee. Just plop the tablespoon in. Plop it. You don't even have to mix it up, just plop it in there. Okay, and then we're gonna close up the milk powder, and then we're gonna add in our coffee mixture, and the color is gonna immediately change. Look at that. Okay, I'm also gonna add 3 to 4 pieces of ice cube in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some ice and I'll add it in. Okay, so I'm gonna add in my pieces of ice and then close it up. And then I'm gonna blend all of this up together. Okay, so now that the cold coffee is all blended, I can pour it in to the glasses. Perfect. All right. We wipe it up. And this is the final product. It is super duper yummy. I've made this like 2 times already. My sister liked it a lot. So in a week, I already made it 2 times. And I think I've already made it 2 times this week. So this is like the 3rd time we've made it this week, I think. So yeah, we really like this cold coffee recipe. And if you were like, yes, that sounds really good, then please try it at your house. And I hope that you enjoy this recipe. And if you're like, wait, I want to add some of my stuff, that other stuff that I have at home, you can also add other things like, I don't know, like whipped cream, hazelnut spread, like any other things you want to add into it, you definitely can do that. But this is just the way I like to make it. Bye.